Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shohini Sarkar. If you are new to my channel, kindly take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I talk about entertainment, lifestyle, food, everything entertainment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about my experience with cybercrime.government.in. So, I have been on Facebook for a long time, and in Facebook, I have seen many accounts that were using my face for a long time. But I did not do anything about it except I told my friends to report that account, and it was probably closed or not closed. Actually, it just gave me like a very like panic attacks kind of situation when I got to know that somebody was using my face uh, with other name, and it just did not give me like it did affect me mentally a lot. But then I started avoiding the situation. But a year back, I started seeing that a lot of accounts have been popping out using my picture. Now I have locked my profile, and I try to like maintain my privacy even if I like to be social. But still, there were 2 to 3 accounts that were using my picture, and that again affected me mentally. So, one of my friends told me that you can do one thing, you can report your fake accounts on cybercrime.government.in. So, I had no idea what that is. I obviously by the name I knew that it's like related to cybercrime. Now, if you use someone's picture for your own benefit without permission, then you are doing a cybercrime. So, what I did, I went to the cybercrime.government.in. It is a portal to report the cybercrime. So, I reported the crime. That is, they asked for my Aadhaar card, they asked who am I, and they asked for other identities as well. So I reported it to them, reported 2 fake accounts to my cybercrime, and bus. Then what happened? Then after reporting it, I was like kind of avoiding it, and I was ignoring that thing. And I told that even if you see a fake account, I told my friends that even if you see a fake account with my picture or my name, just do one thing, just report that and tell your friends to report that as well, because it did affect me, it affects everyone, so I don't want that. So then what happened after 3 to 4 months, police officer of our local police station called me, and he was like, Shoni Sarka, you reported a crime on cybercrime.government.in, so we want to know the details. So I told that yeah, it's like I think it's closed because a lot of my friends reported it, so I think it's closed and it's not an issue anymore. So the police officer actually told, okay, then I will call you later. Then police officer has been calling me for a long time, and I have been receiving the phone, and every time he told me to meet him in person, and I was kind of scared to go to the police station and hesitant also. So I told my parents, and my parents told that you don't need to go. But then I was like, I have reported something, and in future I may report that, and I don't want that I have reported something and they ask me something and I'm not. They were he was asking me, the police inspector sir was asking me to go to the police station for 3 to 4 months. I know I like this is not good to make someone that respectable waiting. I took my time, I took my courage, and I took one of my friends, Roop, to the police station and actually met with the police officer. He was actually very kind. He told me that is the account doing any problem? I'm like no, and back of my mind I was like, who made this account? Is it possible to find that person? But I did not ask much questions because if the account was still in use, he would have done more investigation. But the account was not making any issue right now. So and the police officer told me to write an application that the issue is no more in the accounts were no more active, and he told me that next time something like this happens, come to the police station and report it directly. So that was a major help, that was a major relief for me. So I came here and wanted to share this because I know many people, or many of you have faced cybercrime at some point of your life, and it is okay to report it on the cybercrime portal, and it is okay to have conversation with the police officer even if you are like hesitant or you are scared to talk to the police officer. Just report it, it will be good for you. My crime was a fake account, which is like less serious to other crimes, but if you have faced something more serious, report it, don't be afraid. I have been there, because taking action is important. So I hope you're not scared. Don't be scared. Don't be afraid. Just report it. And I'm thankful to my one friend who just told me to report it on the cybercrime portal. I will be leaving the link of cybercrime in the description box. So, uh, thank you for watching my video. I hope this video helped you. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.